Have you ever considered the importance of indigenous plants in our environment and gardens? Indigenous plants, those that naturally occur in a particular region, are more than just pretty faces. They play a vital role in preserving biodiversity, maintaining ecosystem health, and upholding cultural heritage. They have evolved over time, adapting to the local climate and soil conditions, making them a resilient choice for your garden. Indigenous plants are not only beautiful, but they are also integral to our local ecosystems. Growing indigenous plants in your garden has numerous benefits for you and the environment. These local flora are low-maintenance champions since they are naturally adapted to thrive in your area's climate. That means less fuss for you and more time to relax and enjoy the beauty they bring. In addition to their adaptability, indigenous plants play a crucial role in supporting local wildlife. They provide a habitat for native insects, birds, and other creatures, creating a vibrant and sustainable ecosystem right in your backyard. But the benefits don't stop there. Indigenous plants contribute significantly to soil health by naturally enriching it. They are also champions of water conservation. Since they are accustomed to local rainfall patterns, they generally require less supplemental watering, conserving vital resources. As you can see, growing indigenous plants is a win-win situation for both you and the environment. It's time to bring the beauty and benefits of indigenous plants to your own backyard. Explore local nurseries or online platforms for a variety of native plants. Choosing the right ones can transform your garden and local ecosystem. Start your journey with indigenous plants today and experience the joy they bring. We hope this video inspired you to explore the world of indigenous plants. Remember, nurturing these plants not only benefits your garden, but also supports local biodiversity. Share this joy with others and spread the word. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening insights. Happy gardening!